Penny Play. Today, Penny Play and Benny Blue and Rainy Bow have a lovely, very different activity for you to do. Look what they brought along for us to play with. They brought some Munster slime pots. There's a green one, there's a blue one, and there's a pink one. Which colour would you choose? I think I would choose the pink one because pink is my favourite colour. And it says inside the pot, create your own slime mashup, get mixing and creating, and with a surprise Munster charm and sticker. Shall we open them up? Okay, Penny Play, Rainy Bow, Benny Blue. Which one shall we start with first? Shall we do the pink, the blue, or the green one? Penny Play, you choose first. Which one would you like to try first? The pink one. Okay, let's open the pink one first then. Let's see what's inside. How do we open this up? Here we go. Plastic off. Oh, I can see the sticker already. That sticker looks like Rainy Bow. Okay, so we can see the charm inside and we can see the sticker, and then when we open the lid, here is all the slime. We've got pink slime, very squishy. We've got light blue, quite clear blue slime. And we've got yellow slime. Ooh, nice and yucky. And we've got the sticker that's just like Rainy Bow. And we've got a charm too that's just like Rainy Bow. That's good, isn't it? Should we open the next pot and see what's in there? Yes? These would be good to keep them in safe afterwards and nice and clean and tidy. Okay, we've got the green one and the blue one. Okay, Benny Blue, your turn. Which one would you like us to open? The blue one. That would be good. Okay, let's open the blue Munster slime pot. See, it's open here. Take the plastic off. All the way down. Oh, whoops, that fell out. Okay, so we got the sticker there we can see and the charm. I think this sticker might be very similar to the one we had before. Let's see, we've got a blue. This is a different blue. This one was a clear blue and this is a more solid blue. We've got a clear yellow. And we've got a very pale green clear one. Let's have a look what sticker we've got. It looks a bit like you, Rainy Bow again. Look, very similar to you. But let's have a look at the other sticker. It's slightly different, yes. The colours are in different places. And this one's waving and this one's not. Okay. And let's have a look at the charm. Wow. Isn't that gorgeous? The charm is slightly different as well. This one's waving and this one's not. So we've got 2 charms now and 2 stickers. And we've opened the blue pot. Okay. And we've got all of these so far. So we've got 1 more pot to go. We've just got the Munster slime pot in green. Whose turn is it? I think it's your turn, Rainy Bow. Should we open this one? Okay, let's get on with it. So, where does that open? I think it opens just here. Is it here? I think it's just here. Open the top. Okay, let's have a look what we've got inside this one. Ooh. We've got a solid green one, like a lime green. Do you remember the other one we had was like a clear lime green? And then we've got a clear pink. Do you remember the other one we had was a solid pink? And then another lighter pink one. Let's have a look what else we've got. We've got another sticker. Again, it looks a bit like Rainy Bow. Let's compare the other stickers. That's 1, 2, 3 stickers. They're all slightly different. This one's got purple on the bottom. This one's got green on the bottom. This one's got yellow on the bottom. And they're all smiling differently, waving differently. That's the 3 stickers. Let's see the charm. And there's the charm. So let's have a look at what we've got. We've got the 3 stickers and we've got the 3 charms. We could put these on a bracelet, couldn't we? And we could stick these stickers anywhere. Okay, let's put the green pot away. So that's green, blue and pink. And there's the stickers and the charms. We'll put those to one side so we can have a look now at our slime. Oh, this is exciting, isn't it? Right, Penny Play and Benny Blue. Which one should we open first? You want to open the pink one. Okay, let's open this one first. Is it hard to open? Oh, no, it's not too bad. Oh, that's lovely and sticky. Oh, look how sticky that slime is. It's sticking to the plastic a little bit. Oh, yes, very sticky. It's a bit hot, I think. I think we'll let that one cool down a little bit. Very sticky slime. Right, which one should we do next? Rainy Bow, your go. Which one? You want us to do the light yellow one. Let's have a look if this is less sticky then. Let's have a look. Can we open this one up? Yes, that's a bit easier to open up. I think this one might be less sticky. Let's have a look. Oh, that's a lot less sticky. Oh, yes. That's lovely. I like to play with slime, do you? Penny Play, Benny Blue and Rainy Bow do too. That's a lot nicer slime, that is. We can put that, to keep it nice and clean, in one of the pots. Put it in the pink pot. Okay. Keep that nice and fresh in there. Benny Blue, your turn to try the next one. You want us to try this clear pink one. Okay, let's have a go. See if we can get this one out. Ooh. This is very sticky. Oh, yes. Really slimy slime, this one, isn't it? You'll enjoy playing with this one. Look how sticky that is. Definitely don't want to get this on the carpet or anything furry, do we? Very, very runny and slimy. I think I'm going to put that in one of the pots to keep this nice and clean. Let's put it in the blue pot. If you like slime, these are lovely pots to buy. And you've got somewhere to keep them clean afterwards. Okay, we're going to put that in there. Very sticky slime. Okay, did you enjoy playing with slime with Rainy Bow, Benny Blue, Rainy Bow, Benny Blue and Penny Play today? I did too. Come back soon for more fun activities at Penny Play. Bye-bye.